how to turn off auto download audio using Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off auto download audio using Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find storage and data, and scroll down until you find when connected on Wi-Fi and click this one here, audio. Just click on it and click OK, and then just go back. It will be saved, and as you see, that's how to turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.